how do you measure cough? Do patients need to monitor, count? How do they report it so that they know that they've actually improved?
So we have some questionnaires to evaluate how the cough affects your quality of life and how do you perceive your cough's frequency. And we also use some cough monitors that you wear on your neck for 24 hours. It really isn't that bothering, okay, I can reassure you. So it is a digital cough monitor that you will be wearing at few key times during the study for a 24-hour period.